Hey, what's up guys? Tim over here from Sapaugh GM Power, doing another Tuesday tech tip on a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. This 2018 Chevrolet Equinox has a flat tire on the vehicle. So today we're going to show you how to change the flat tire on a Equinox. The first thing you're going to do is move to the back of the vehicle, and then you're going to get access to the trunk. Once inside the trunk, you'll want to remove this panel. And then you remove this lower panel from the vehicle. Put this one inside the car. And then at this point, you'll want to remove the spare tire from the vehicle. Remove the spare tire. You'll want to remove the tire iron, remove the lug nuts. And also at this point, you'll need the floor jack. You'll want to close the trunk, make your way back to the vehicle, and when changing a spare tire, you always want to make sure that the vehicle's parking brake is set. You don't want the vehicle rolling away when you jack the vehicle up. Before you jack the vehicle up, you'll want to loosen the lug nuts. Now that all the lug nuts are loose, we will want to use the same tool. We'll have to lower this down enough to go under the vehicle, and then once under the vehicle, you're going to go all the way under here, and you want to get right on this pinch weld. It's the only piece of metal that's exposed under the vehicle. The rest, as you can see, is encapsulated in this plastic, and you don't want to go on the plastic. So right here on this metal, there'll be a groove on the jack itself. Get that in there, and then you use the same thing you use to loosen the lug nuts, the tire iron, to raise the vehicle up. Once you get the vehicle up off the ground enough, you'll be able to remove the rest of the lug nuts and then remove the spare tire from the vehicle. Okay, now that the vehicle's off the ground, you'll want to remove the lug nuts the rest of the way. Now that all the lug nuts are removed, you want to put them somewhere suitable so you're not going to lose them. Remove the wheel from the vehicle. Grab your spare tire. Put your spare tire back on, and you'll want to put all 5 lug nuts back on as well. And once all the lug nuts are on, you're going to turn it just a quarter of a turn just to get enough in there. It's not loose. And then after this point, you will lower the vehicle back down. And then you'll still want to tighten the lug nuts securely, because at this point they're not tight enough to drive around on. Use the same tool to lower the floor back down. Go counterclockwise at this point. All right, at this point, you'll remove the floor jack from the vehicle. And you want to go back and you want to tighten the lug nuts to make sure they're safe to drive on. Put a little heave ho into them. And then at that point, you change the tire on a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. This is Tim from Sapaugh GM Power. I will see you guys next Tuesday for Tech Tip Tuesdays.
Sapaugh!